In this video, I'm going to talk about the Chase Freedom Flex credit card. I'm going to talk about all the pros, all the cons, and at the end of the video, I'm going to let you know my opinion about this card. The sign-up bonus for this Chase Freedom Flex card is amazing because after you spend $500 on purchases, you will earn $200 back in the first 3 months after opening this account. The sign-up bonus for this card is very easy to achieve because if you break it down into 3 months, you're basically spending $167 per month. And I know most of you spend more than that. So might as well just go ahead and use this card and get that bonus. You will also earn 5% cash back on grocery stores up to $12,000 in the first year. Okay, now let's talk about how you can earn cash back. This card is unique because it has quarterly bonus categories, and I'll explain that in a bit and I'll show you examples as well. You will earn 5% cash back on select categories each quarter. This applies to the first $1,500 in combined purchases per quarter. As soon as you reach that cap of $1,500, then it goes to 1%. In order to get these quarterly bonuses, you have to enroll in it each quarter, which I do all the time each quarter because I like to be kept up to date and earn that 5% cash back. So let's go back and talk about the quarterly bonus categories. Chase doesn't release the whole year's worth of cashback categories, but they do release it every quarter. For example, Q1 of this year, which is January 1st through March 31st, the bonus categories where you can earn the 5% cash back is at wholesale clubs, select streaming services, internet cable, and phone services. Q2, which is gas stations and home improvement stores. Q3 is at grocery stores and select streaming services. Since we are not in Q4 yet during the recording of this video, it currently doesn't show you the categories, but at least now you have a better picture of how the 5% cash back works. Also, to let you know, each year are new categories. Here is last year's categories for the year 2020. So the great thing about these categories is that these categories are places you already shop at, sometimes on a daily basis or monthly basis. So make sure to use this card for those places to get the most benefit out of it. I mean, come on, it's 5%. And I can tell you from experience that it accumulates super fast. I know it feels like I already went through a lot of information on how to get this cashback rewards, but I'm not done yet. This is just the beginning. Here are more ways to earn cash back. 5% cashback on travel purchases made on Chase Ultimate Rewards. 3% on dining at restaurants including takeout and eligible delivery services. 3% on drugstores. And 1% cashback on all other purchases. The best part is that you get all these great cashback rewards for an annual fee of $0. I know, that's super amazing, right? Let's give this card a round of applause. There are different ways to redeem your cashback rewards. You can receive a statement credit or direct deposit. You can link your Freedom Flex credit card to your Amazon account so you can redeem your cashback rewards that way too. You can redeem your points with gift cards. You can also redeem your points for travel. As you guys know, this is an option that I would use to redeem my points, and that's only because I maximize my points through travel. Here's what I mean. With the Freedom Flex card, you get 1 cent per point for these redemption options. But if you get either the Sapphire Reserve or the Sapphire Preferred, you can maximize your points. For example, if you transfer your points from Freedom Flex to either the Sapphire Reserve or the Sapphire Preferred, then the same points you have in your Flex card will jump from 1 cent per point to 1.25 cents per point with the Sapphire Preferred, or 1.5 cents per point with the Sapphire Reserve. You can only do that if you book travel through Chase Rewards portal. You also get these awesome built-in benefits. There's a lot to go through here, but here's a quick overview of these benefits this card has to offer. My two favorites are the fraud alerts you get from Chase when new activity occurs on your credit report, and the cell phone protection that helps against covered theft or damage. Okay, this is probably the moment that you've been waiting for, but now let's talk about the pros about this card and the cons about this card. The pros are very awesome. No annual fee, quarterly bonus categories, and cell phone protection. The cons about this card is that you have to activate your quarterly bonuses. It also charges foreign transaction fees and the 1% cash back you get on all other purchases. My opinion about this Chase Freedom Flex credit card is that it's a pretty good card, especially because of all the cashback rewards you can earn. There are two things I really love about this credit card, and it's the fact that you get 3% on dining. And that's very beneficial because all of us are very busy with our lives, and sometimes we just need to go out and just buy something really quick. And even with your busy life, it's great to just go there and earn the 3%. The second thing I love about this credit card is the fact that it has $0 annual fee. We all love credit cards with $0 annual fee. If you agree with that, give this video a thumbs up. Alright guys, so that's all I have to say about this credit card. If you have any questions about this credit card, let me know in the comments down below and I'll answer them right away. If you plan to apply for this credit card, use the link I have in the description box below or in the comments down below. It will really help out this channel. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more credit card videos, and I'll see you guys very soon.